Once. Really gotta be stuck with you. Once.
Number one, fantastic to
I'm
see.
doing my
Made
makeup.
from
Would you?
100% young pork.
Whatever. I'm gonna go put on a face mask. Where's my face mask? You want one? The purple, pink, or white? Purple? Sure.
My clients.
Here's purple.
My client.
I'm gonna go get another
sure,
purple.
but the evidence is
So are you? Okay, so this made my friend, right?
showing and depicting that there were two individuals. Who seemed to be
What?
intoxicated. They were in bed.
Oh yeah.
Not just in bed. The two individuals were like fabrics interwoven into one
Yes, I know. Hey, okay. Why are you so mean? Like, what happened to you, girl? Also,
Ipagtanggol mo sarili mo ay we're giving you the benefit of the doubt. It's your turn to shine.
also,
Go Ivan.
Bali po, ganito ba yung nangyari?
is it
Nauna
true
na
you
po,
dated Chase
yung
when you
kaibigan
were
sa nauna na po
like
siyang
grade
naigatin.
school, 8th grade, or 12th grade?
Kasi,
The drama. She is with your best friend undercover.
olas.
The drama, I know, right? Good thing I skipped first year, second. I don't really like going out to skip, but I need to make skincare.
Bali, nalasing na po
Okay, now we
siya.
can take them off. Okay, it's sticky.
Nakahiga na po siya doon kasi
Kanino bang bahay yan?
sa kaibigan ko po.
Just beside the phone. Just wag
Ako rin-
ako rin siyang humiga tapos.
Ako rin po, di ko na po
Yeah.
kaya yung ano.
Natulog ka na lang.
It is so
Sobrang
good.
ano.
Hindi ko kaya yung alak.
Isa
Lasing na
lang
rin
po
siya.
kasing higaan doon. Kaya tumabi na lang po ako sa kanya.
You can have it.
Kaso yun doon sa picture.
You can have it. I'm gonna go do my makeup. Yes, because Sylvia, that bully, literally pour water in me. So, and I gotta do my makeup. I don't know what it is. I don't know what I'm doing. It's not. But thank you for thank you, I can buy it. Yes, I have a mirror.
Nalasing
Why?
siya. Ayan ako. Kung isa lang ang higa, kung bakit kailangan dalawang nakahiga?
Kundi na lang sa sa sahig. Mukha nga ng unan.
King bed eh.
I forgot. This has a mirror. This has a mirror already. I'm sorry.
Higaan pang isa.
Sakto lang.
My eyes look so tired. Oh my god.
Napilit pagkasyahin ang dalawa. Hindi ko mawari ko. Ano bang nangyari? Pero,
Do I look
totoo ba
good?
yung sinasabi ni Pao na yung
My
salita
crush.
ko,
Go. I don't
baka-
have a
Okay.
crush. When I'm in grade school, in high school, girly.
Ba't kayo nagkaya
Oh,
ako?
how would you
Hindi
explain
ako po
that?
nakaganon. Ha? Nakaganon po ako sa kanya.
Alam mo yun na nakaganon ka?
Opo.
Okay, that looks good.
Ngayon,
Okay.
nalaman natin na hindi
So,
natutulog ang ebidensya.
Ano yung pinaninindigan
Anyways,
mo
I'm gonna
ba
go
na hanggang ngayon na
even it out,
wala
I guess.
talaga yung picture na yun o naniniwala kang may mali talaga sa
Opo, may mali po talaga ako na
I got this in my bag. My makeup bag.
Ako
This is my makeup bag. I got a lot of stuff. Where is my other brush?
Opo, marami
I'm just
Naku,
gonna go like.
isisisi na naman natin kay San Miguel.
Hindi!
Look at me, I'm
Ano ko
blue.
lang, kasi baka mamaya sadyain
My
talaga
eyes
yun.
look so tired. I don't know why.
Maraming nainom, pero...
What did I do? What am I doing? I will
choice.
just
O, sabi ni
Can you
MC,
like
ano yun?
right? Thank you.
Ano, Darren?
Oh, nothing.
Hindi ate MC sadya. Oo, pero kung bigla si MC naman. Siya nagsabi, di ba ate MC?
Swirly.
Saglit,
Should I
pero
use
narinig ko lang din sa'yo.
green, blue, red, pink, or
Hindi.
this?
Sino ka ba nagsabi?
Blue. I love you.
Tamo, pati yung bata dinadami sa usapan ng mga tanda.
Blue. I really like blue. Yes, that's my favorite.
Okay.
Oh, yours
Ano yung
too?
mali? Sige,
Nice.
let's talk about realizations.
Okay, let me.
Ano yung sa palagay mo?
I'm just gonna like.
Yun po, na
This bathroom mirror is
kaibigan ko po
so
yung best friend ko
not
po
good.
dapat. Manap na lang ako ng
Hold on a second, girlie.
Ay, pwesto sa sahig. Sopa.
Yung totoo, ito naman yun ang pag-usap. Ito, nung araw na yun na nagkatabi kayo, sadyang nagkatabi lang at nagayakapan, pero walang anything, walang pumasok din na demonyo na, gusto ko makipagharutan dito sa minsan kong nililigaw.
Meron pong nung nagiinuman po kami, parang sulsul yung mga kaibigan namin.
Oo, hindi ko natin idama yung mga kaibigan.
Do you think I should
Sobrang
eyeliner
na.
Kasi
under my eyes?
kung kahit
Think?
sa susunod,
Oh my god, your taste
kung
is
sa
so
pakiwari mo at
good.
sa paniniwala mo,
Yeah,
ito ay mali,
I really like it
aalis
too.
ka sa sitwasyon na yun. Kasi yung, kahit saan tayo magpunta may tukso. Kahit
Is that
hindi
good?
ka lumabas
Does
ng
that
bahay,
look
may
good?
tukso. Na, kikilitiin yung utak mo para gawin ang bagay na yun.
Oh,
Kahit hindi mo katabi
let's
yung
go in the
tao,
stall.
kahit nasa banyo
stop,
ka lang may
stop.
tukso, nasa
There's
kwarto
someone
ka may
coming. I'm
tukso,
gonna go get my.
kahit sa simbahan may tukso.
Let's go.
Talagang dapat huwag sa mga
Okay, we're in the store. I'm gonna go take off my makeup. Right. Someone might see us.
bahay,
You too?
panghihinaan ba
Wait, you have some lipstick.
papayag akong lukupin ako ng tukso.
Why is this so hard to open?
Di ba kasi may tukso na eh.
Wait, my
Diba?
mom
Alam mo,
kept it so
kahit
tight.
hindi pa naman kayo ikakasal, meron akong obligasyon kasi meron.
Great, I broke it.
Di ba?
Yun po talaga mali ko nun na masyadong nagpadala sa feelings ko po na hindi ko po siya iniisip pa kasama ko yung mga kaibigan ko.
I think Miss Applewood is here.
At saka bata pa gusto.
So-transfer ko to yung Gcash ko.
Lakalim nun.
Okay, I'm gonna take my glasses.
Parang pa-horror yung
I'm just gonna.
As abogado.
Pero wow, yung inalaman mo yung litrato na yung pinadala sa'yo, anong ginawa mo?
pinadevelop niya po.
Pinapray?
O, pinablow up ko nga yan. Gawin sa carpet. Ginawang carpet. Tapos parang tarpaulin, no? Tapos mas nilagay ko sa lalabas ng bahay nila.
Girl, that was so great. Good thing it's our third period now.
Tutoy lang yun ako.
Yeah, third period.
Again,
Bio.
tayo
Bakit?
Biology. Bio.
Ano ba?
Biology.
Pero at
Actually, say bio.
pagkakamali. At
Okay.
siguradong may
Tutulong
natutunan.
sa pera.
Skip. Third.
Gusto, kailangan ng pera.
At saka yung
Third. Now we got. You wanna go to my
ilalagay
house?
ng posisyon mo sa posisyon.
Yeah, let's go.